Hmm. I wonder if I can get a drone shot from top of the pyramid. Let's find out. Now that I'm on top of the pyramid, it's time to call down to my cousin who will be operating the drone from ground level.
You pull the black thing up at the top. You pull that up. The cord is under that. The little black piece. Now you're gonna need the code for the phone to unlock it. Cuz about to fly the drone up here to the pyramid, boy. Oh no, I don't see it. That was a car.
Well, after a coordinated effort, this is what a $9 drone shot can get you.